Next topic, accommodation in Belgium. Accommodation is nothing but the process of adapting and adjusting to someone. How they adjust the people of two major community in Belgium. Here that the Belgian leaders took a different path. How they manage the country with the two major communities without any problem. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended, they changed their constitution four times. Why they changed? Means they want some arrangement to manage that two group of people without any problem. For that they changed. Even though they changed, they created many problem. For that reason, they made a standard what's the model among the peoples. So now we are going to see that the what are the changes, how they manage the country. The constitution prescribes that number of Dutch and French speaking minister, they are equal in the central government, and no no single community can make a decisions unilaterally. They cannot take a decisions. What is that? Singly they can take a decision. They want to discuss with the other community people, and commonly they have to take a decision. And then second point, many powers of the central governments have been given to state government, but the state government is not a subordinate. That means a branch to the central government. They have its own rights, and they can uh, run independently. They are not subordinate to the central government. And third, Brazil has a separate government in which both communities have equal representative, because already we discussed 80 percentage of French people speaking people in Brazil, and 20% are Dutch speaking people in that city. For that reasons, they have that equal representative. No one should dominate the other people. For that here, the French speaking people accepted equal representative in Brazil, because the Dutch speaking community has accepted equal representative in the central government. Overall, the country, Dutch speaking people is 59 percentage people, but French speaking is a 40 percentage. In the central government, Dutch speaking peoples are accepted to give that equal opportunity to that French people. For that reason, French also here, even though they are majority in the Brazil, they accepted that equal representative in the Brazil. So this is the reason for accepting Dutch in Brazil. And the next one, apart from the central government and the state government, there is a third government. What is that? That is a community government. This government is elected by the people who belongs to one community. That is Dutch, French, or German speaking people, no matter where they live. So this can be elected by the people depend upon that community of community people. So this government has the power regarding cultural, educational, and language related issues. For this problem, this government was invented in that country. This is the third government of the Brazil, and the Belgian model was very complicated. It's a very complicated in that country. Even though it is a complicated, they accepted this arrangement. So far, it will stop that civic strife. Civic strife is nothing but is that fight between the two major community. So when many countries of the Europe came to came together to form that European Union, Brazil was chosen its headquarters, because the both the peoples are accepting the each other. For that reason, Brazil is the best place to form that headquarters for European Union.